Hello, I'm Paul with US Tool Group. Let's talk about regrinding. The regrinding or reconditioning of cutting tools is often the largest cost-saving opportunity available for a metalworking company. Think about it. You pay a lot of money for high-performance carbide and even your high-speed round tool. To discard those tools or just sell the dull tools for scrap after one use makes no sense. Even if you use a regrinding service already, how do you know you're getting the full value for your expensive cutting tools? US Tool Group is the largest cutting tool reconditioning company in the world. We process over 500,000 high-speed cobalt and carbide round tools each week at our 250,000 square foot ISO certified manufacturing center in Farmington, Missouri, the heartland of America. We employ over 400 professionals who are dedicated to reconditioning your dull cutting tools and returning them to you, guaranteed to perform as good as or better than a new tool, all at a fraction of the new tool cost. There is no need to sort your dull tools before shipping. We will do that for you. We will also chemically clean the dull tools to remove any grime and material buildup. We will automatically separate your tools by type and size and process those tools in one of several production areas. For high-speed drills, we will point and split those tools at one of 26 workstations, all SPC controlled and utilizing our proprietary machine and process designs. For end mills and other high-performance carbide tools, over 36 Walter, Anka and US Tool designed and built CNCs will be utilized to recondition your tools to perform as new. Whether your tools are industry standards or built to print specials, US Tool has the equipment, processes, and expertise necessary to return your dull tools to the new tool specifications, including any required coatings. And your sharpened tools will be thoroughly inspected by our highly trained and experienced QA staff using specialized equipment including Zoller automated and touchless CNC analyzers. After the work is complete, your order will be packaged according to your specifications, including labeling for vending machines, and then shipped back to you in a reusable container. US Tool is the only cutting tool reconditioning company in the industry with a complete regrinding capability, including small diameter twist drills, tools you might otherwise throw away. In the end, US Tool's cutting tool regrinding service is the best and easiest way to save money in your metalworking operation. To find out more about US Tool Group's amazing cutting tool reconditioning service, visit us at ustg.net or email us at info@ustg.net. Let's talk again soon.